Hi, I'm Cole Tanner. Today we're going to unbox the new Ozonics HR500. So let's get this thing cracked open. So inside the box you're going to find a big tray full of all the good stuff. So let's get this box out of the way. All right, so HR500 is right there on top. On the bottom of the unit you're going to find the XL battery. Before you take this out hunting, make sure you pull that sticker off and you make sure you charge this battery all the way up. It's going to take about 4 hours to charge all the way up. Okay, from there, you're going to have sticker for your truck, operating manual. There's a bunch of great information on here on how to set it up correctly. There's QR codes in here. With the new HR500, it has Bluetooth connectivity, so there's a new Ozonics app. So you can use your camera phone to scan that and download the app and then connect it to your HR500. It's a little bit of a jigsaw how all this stuff is in here, but it's in here, so let's just walk through it. So we first lift up this tray, and in there you're going to find the power supply and AC cord for your charger, so there's those two pieces. Then you're also going to find your smart arm. And then from there, we're going to lift up this piece right here, and we find our smart arm tree screw. And then we're going to lift up this tray, and we're going to find our charger cup, and we're going to find our easy mount. So just so we're all straight, you've got your HR500, you've got your XL battery. Make sure you take that sticker off. You've got your AC cord power supply and your charger cup. Connect all that together, charge that battery. You've got your smart arm. You've got your smart arm tree screw. You've got your easy mount that connects on the bottom of that unit with Allen wrench threaded onto that 1/4 20. Sticker for the truck and manual. Like I said, use that QR code. You can scan that with your camera phone to download the new Ozonics app and connect it to that HR500. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to jump on our website at ozonicshunting.com or give us a call at 979-285-2401. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and good luck out there.